Look guys, the gray color. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating pangatlong color ng ating bikini. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. I really love it. O diba? Ayan siya guys. Rampa. O diba? Ang ganda ng ating ano guys. Bikini. I really love it. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Pack na pack yan. O, diba? Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan yung ating nirarampa ngayon. Ayan yung aking tatlong color ng bikinis. O, diba? Pack na pack yan siya, guys. I love it. Look, guys. Flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan siya, guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan, the green color guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. This one guys, the red color. I really love it. Ayan guys. Pack, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. My fashion for today. Ayan, ready na ako guys sa aking pagrampa. Ayan. Because I really love modeling. Pack, 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 pack. O diba guys, ang ganda ng ating color red. Ayan, o diba? This video guys, flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, yung aking fashion for today. Ayan po. Ayan. I'm ready for my fashion walk, guys. Ayan. My modeling career. I'm ready na. Diba? I really love it, guys. Ayan. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba? Ayan, another color na naman, guys. The red color, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya. Ayan. Ayan, the red bikini guys. I really love it. Pack na pack siya. Ayan. Medyo nag-shape na yung aking ano guys. Only my tummy. Ayan, ito yung aking papaliitin guys. Ayan. O diba? I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan. Miss Philippines!
Oh
This one
no!
guys, the red color. I really love it. Ayan guys.
Wow!
Pack na pack yan siya guys.
Wow!
Ready na ako.
Wow!
Ayan. Because I really love modeling.
Wow!